Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 461 Pontiac 525 horsepower engine for our customers' 1978 Pontiac Transam. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we have the 461 Pontiac stroker engine. This has all forged steel internals, forged steel crankshaft, H-beam connecting rods, power forged pistons, double roller timing chain in there, comp cams, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, new balancer. We have the Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads with all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Engine block is painted the Pontiac metallic blue with the brass freeze plugs. We have the correct oil pan on there for the 78 Pontiac Transam. High torque mini starter on there. Engine lift hooks are installed for easy to lift the engine. These real nice Pontiac valve covers, oil fill right here, push-in breather on both sides, Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold, correct thermostat housing for the 78 Pontiac Transam, high flow thermostat installed, heavy duty Russell PCV hose and PCV valve installed. We have the black Holley Sniper EFI 2 system on there. We'll dial in the Holley Sniper EFI settings. We'll set it up for the customer. It'll be ready to go, plug and play. The idle will be set, ready to go. This is the polished shaker air cleaner for the 78 Transam with the tapered air filter. We have the custom-made 461 cubic inch EFI stroker decal on there, the air cleaner, all set. HEI distributor set in place. Taylor ignition wires, American made. All the wire markers are on there. We installed the proper composite polymer distributor gear for the roller lifter cam. That's installed on that distributor. Customer has the manual trans. We have the proper balance flywheel on there, standard flywheel, billet steel. This engine is internally balanced. ARP standard flywheel bolts, all torqued. Pilot bearings installed. Correct oil filter housing for the 78 Transam. We have it marked for oil for the oil pressure switch right there. Dipstick and tube installed, all set. We have the external fuel pressure regulator on there. We'll set the fuel pressure to 58.5 psi. It'll be all set, ready to go. Manifold vacuum fittings for any vacuum hookups. The vacuum tee right on the intake manifold. This is the Black Diamond Wraptor pulley kit. Beautiful setup. Has a self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. AC compressor. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. High flow. Black aluminum water pump. 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. The GM Saginaw power steering pump. All set. Heavy duty Russell fuel lines. Proper gas filter for the Holley Sniper EFI 2. Every engine is live run for 45 minutes at Engine Factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We dial in the Holley Sniper EFI system. So it'll be plug and play again, ready to go. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call. 908-323-5847. We've been in business since 1969. It's family operated business here. There you have it, our 461 Pontiac stroker engine, 525 horsepower, going into the customer's 1978 Pontiac Transam. Thanks for watching.